The United Aircraft Corporation (UAC) has delivered a batch of new Su-57 and Su-35S aircraft to the Russian aerospace forces. These aircraft, part of Russia's ongoing defense modernization efforts, were accepted by the technical staff after completing a full cycle of factory tests. Pilots from the Russian Ministry of Defense tested the fighters in various operating modes before they flew to their designated airfield, Rostec said in an official release. Vladimir Artyakov, first Deputy Director General of Rostec, said that further batches of Su-57 aircraft are at different stages of readiness, with the Su-35S production also progressing well. In a related development, the UAC plant responsible for manufacturing these fighters is undergoing production upgrades. New construction and installation work has been completed at flight test station facilities. To support increased serial production of the Su-57, an additional building is being constructed to test the systems of the fifth-generation fighter. Russia has an ambitious order for 76 Su-57 fighters, aiming to meet this target by 2028 with a yearly delivery of around 16 jets starting in 2024. Although Russia doesn't officially disclose exact delivery figures, independent analysts and satellite images occasionally offer insights into the number of aircraft stationed at various locations. Based on these sources, it's reasonable to estimate that by the end of 2024, Russia will have about 20 to 25 Su-57s in service.